There's a lot. Right? This is Triumph. Looking really good. Very cool. Of course, the King looks cool as usual. We had to wash the living hell out of him today. Here's Dusty's Street Glide. We got to get it from the good side. Looking good. We had rain this morning. It seems to have stopped. Say hi, bro. Hey. Say hi. Anyway, we've been here so many times in our lives. Used to be Finnegan's, now it's Finn's. And here we are, our first stop. First stop for the day.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
First stop.
Hell yeah.
Okay. And think about how many times we've been here. Thousands? Thousands. Wow, very cool.
She wasn't even born yet.
She wasn't born yet, was she, by the time we're doing all that? Thank you for our service today, honey. It's very cool. Here we are, we're getting our drinks. Everybody's here. The ocean the last couple of days before this was pretty mean. You can see where high tide goes, and there is no beach, and I can see that water easily breaching right there if it had to. Anyway, we're at Finn's. Oh, and there is the new Margaritaville. Not very good reviews. A front room like on.
Hey!
Well, this wasn't our original point of destination, but it doesn't hurt. Because they closed that road and that would have taken us back to where we wanted to go, but I guess that road is just shut the hell down, you know?
I love that road.
Right? That's sad though. Anyway. Been here thousands of times back in the day.
Yeah, this is it, huh?
This is it, man. You okay, sis? Oh, so come back a little bit. Just come back a little bit. Screw it. Come back a little bit. A little bit more. A little more. Keep coming. And try your kickstand there. That a little better? Yeah, she hardly kicks, does she?
Thank you. Yeah, I don't have much,
What's up with
And you know what?
kickstand?
Because she lowered the bike.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking scary.
Well, you gotta do some fucking machining on it.
Well, we'll have to lower that kickstand and weld a new tab on it or something. How you doing, bro?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Look, got
I
my.
think the last time Jerry was here, at the peroxide kid, and he was hanging out in the dip tank.
Yeah.
Anyway,
That bike is so pretty with the light.
oh, that's Froggy's. One more, sis. You're right.
One more block.
One more. Watch for the car. My bad. Ah, shit. He's right. I thought Froggy's was right there.
all good, honey.
Thanks for the help, everybody.
Amen. I didn't like parking in that fucking, like.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Get this. Good.
too.
Did not. He lost his whole dashboard.
Yeah, headlights.
He has no headlight, Jerry.
Right there.
All right, now it's on. Right now it's on.
Now it's on.
That's fucking
We
weird.
had
The
all
first,
three on.
that's the first time that's ever fucking happened. I wonder what did that. As long as I got lights, the last thing you want to get pulled over.
Fucking right.
Well,
Fucking right.
all right, let's get what we need to get.
Look at the
Is
salt
this safe
on our-
right here? No, it ain't. I'm gonna
Look at
put it
the
away
salt
real
on our
quick.
bikes. Look at the salt on your bike.
Yeah, I see it, honey.